In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage teams in Trello. We'll walk through where to access your team settings, how to invite people, and how to review members, guests, and join requests so your workspace stays organized and secure. Start by opening Trello in your browser and heading to your account. From the home view, look for the Workspaces area. Workspaces are the hub that groups your boards, people, and settings, so choose the workspace where you want to manage your team. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before you make any changes. Inside the workspace, open the Members section. This is the control center for your team. Here you'll see who currently has access and what their status is. It's a good idea to come back to this page regularly, especially after projects wrap up or new teammates join. To add people, select Invite Workspace Members. Trello lets you invite by email address or by searching for a name if the person already uses Trello. Type in the email or name, confirm you've selected the correct person, and send and send the invite. If you're inviting several people, you can paste multiple emails to speed things up. It's also helpful to align with your team on naming conventions and roles beforehand so everyone knows what kind of access they should have. Back on the members page, you'll see the workspace members list. This shows everyone who has full workspace access. Use this view to quickly scan who's on the team and ensure access matches their responsibilities. Keeping this list tidy reduces confusion and helps protect sensitive boards. If you spot someone who no longer needs access, this is the place to review and adjust. You'll also see a section for guests. Guests are people who have access to specific boards but aren't full members of the workspace. This is perfect for freelancers or partners who only need to collaborate on one or two boards. If a guest starts contributing across multiple boards, consider upgrading them to a member for consistency and better oversight. Finally, check join requests. When someone requests access to your workspace, their request appears here. Review who they are and why they need access, then approve or decline. It's a good practice to verify that requests come from the right team or organization before approving. That's it. By navigating to your workspace, using the members page to invite people, and regularly reviewing members, guests, and join requests, you'll keep your Trello team organized and secure.